There's a shift happening in the market right now. The best companies are going from people, technology, process into process, technology, people. They aren't just hiring more people to handle growth anymore. They're building systems first. Process first, technology to handle the automations, and then people to handle the strategy, focused on what matters. As an automation firm, we learned the hard way. We were so focused on building systems for our clients that we stopped building them for ourselves. We had manual work piling up, slowing us down and affecting our capacity to deliver for our clients. Does this feel familiar? I will show you exactly how we fixed our internal operation mess and how you can do it too. Give me 2 minutes and I will show you. It's not a magical tool, it's just radical action and a bit of strategy. Okay. We ran a 2-day internal hackathon dedicated to fixing our own systems. And now we're saving more than 8 hours per week from the result of that work. It was just us, no distractions, no new projects, just building systems. I'm going to show you exactly how we can do it in 5 steps. So number 1, you just gotta have a clear intention. Focus on one business challenge. Ask yourself, what is the most broken piece of your business? Write it out. For us, it was sales operation. CRM, our follow-ups, our call notes, they were all over the place. We had a lot of manual work going on, and we wanted to focus on that specific problem. Once you have a single intention, now audit the process. Map out how the process looks like currently. What is that pipeline, the database, and the specific fields laid all over? Once you have that overview, you will see where the issues are and identify which are those bottlenecks for you. In our case, they were follow-ups that were taking forever, proposals were not getting done at time because we didn't have the right notes, and we were not even using the call transcripts at all. All of this was slowing down our progress and killing our ability to deliver. Now it's time to map out the solutions. And once you have all the problems laid out and you've made that audit, the solutions will become obvious. Usually, these can be standardizing your processes, it can be cleaning up your database, or automating the repetitive parts of the process. This took us just 1 hour. If you have an automation expert, plug them in. They will spot those things that you don't know that is even possible to automate. Finally, prioritize based on the most urgent problems for your business and the ones that are dependent for other tasks. In our case, we had 13 tasks that we need to get done after we mapped out our solutions. We prioritize the ones that would unblock other parts of the process. For instance, if you need to get better notes for proposals, start with capturing data from the beginning of the process, since the client books the first call. That way, you will have the database that will allow you to automate processes down in the funnel. Now you're ready to start building. And don't procrastinate it anymore. You don't need engineers. Just dive during at least 10 focused hours during 2 weekends to build the automations that you need to make this happen. So in our case, in 12 hours, we focused on automating call preparation flows, sync with our CRM, to enriching our contacts and company information, semi-automated proposals, and much more. And the best part is you don't need engineers for this, right? You can all build all of this with no-code tools like Ply, Zapier, Make, PandaDoc, and the native automations that your CRM provides. No need to be a rocket scientist to build this. This can be built by any person, technical or non-technical, with just a few hours dedicated into these no-code automation tools. So once you build these automations, you're ready to just review and test them. Since you have your partners there, you can do the review live with them to figure out what are the parts of the process that you might be missing and to make sure that you have the right quality on these automations to be deployed. Test it out for multiple edge cases. If you do it on a weekend, the best timing, because you can actually run those tests right away with no interruptions. So make sure you test. The result of all of this, in our case, is that we implemented 7 out of 12 automations and we're already saving more than 8 hours of manual operating work per week. We finally built those automations that we've been procrastinating for months, and this is changing how our culture and our productivity works internally. These are automations that will serve our company with compound interest over time. So the main takeaway here is that old approach of hiring more people to solve growth challenges and do manual work is outdated. I've seen it firsthand in companies and startups that I've worked before. And the new approach is systematizing, automating, and scaling. So if you're drowning in repetitive tasks, consider running a simple automation hackathon like this one. It's worth that time, and it can change your business and your culture like it changed ours. So if you're looking to learn other things about automation and what the actual automations that we build are, follow along and we will be sharing them on our account.